Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm here to present the project of ICT that's on Introduction and E-Research Timeline Review. So it's a project given by Niroj sir in our ICT class for this first semester. So let's start with the next slide. Okay, so table of contents for Introduction and E-Research Timeline Review. So on tables we have Introduction to E-Research, E-Research Timeline History, 6 E's in E-Research, E-Research versus traditional research, and then conclusion. What is e-research? E-research is the use of information and communication technology, that's ICT, to facilitate research. In simple words, internet-based research or inquiry. E-research approach. The concept of e-research came in academic circles since 2000. E-research focused on collective and interdisciplinary approach. E-research faced many challenges, both technical and organizational. It has been abused and misused by people. We can see cyberbullying and all these things, so we can take as an example of this point. Supporting infrastructure includes both hardware, software, networking, and human resources that we are very familiar with. IT tools are teleconferencing, web publication, and online collaboration. Journals, articles, and other information are easily available in internet. E-research is more accurate and it is easy for collecting and processing the data. Now let's look at the long history of web and e-research starting from 1994 to 2000. First generation Web 1.0. It was the first stage or generation of the World Wide Web. Only reading materials were published, which means that user could not add or interact with the materials. E-research are just start on this stage. Companies and personal website only show the information. So it was the beginning of the first wave generation. Next, first wave generation, Wave 1.0. In this period, e-science was created by John Taylor, the Director General of the United Kingdom's Office of Science and Technology in 1999 and was used to describe a large funding initiative starting in November 2000. E-Science Centers supports their local universities and projects including science and research. So it was the starting phase. Director John Taylor started in United Kingdom Office of Science and Technology. Second generation, that's from 2000 to 2010. It was known as the social web as the users will interact and they connect with the users. All social media such as blogs, Facebook, YouTube, and many more emerged. Practices are changing the landscape of research, collaboration, data collection, analysis, and dissemination, and addressing the impact of these e-research tools in education. In this stage, the digital research is used. So digital research started from the second generation. Web and e-research 2010 to 2020. Third generation of web, that's 3.0. Computers automatically come to conclusion and make decision of certain types of queries. Website and search engines are more connected to each other. This gives the user more precise information, easier interaction, and faster navigation. So it became more effective during the third generation. Okay, next slide. Web and e-research, that's true from 2010 to 2020. Modern tools for data collection make the research process more accurate and easier. New research instruments and techniques explored new ways to do research and indeed new ways to be researched. So this was the three generation of web and e-research starting from 1994 to 2020 and it's still continuing. It's continuing. So 6 E's in e-research. So what are 6 E's in e-research as a digital platform? So e-research, first E represent electronically, second E reference as a enhance, third E empower, fourth E enables, fifth E excites, and the sixth one gives us the explore of the things that we search on the internet. So web timeline over the years it started, as we can see that many use of things that we are very familiar on the current stage of our life. We are addicted to all these YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest for learning sites. So there are so many videos, social networking site where we can interact with our friends, families, or video calls, phone calls. We can search any kinds of things in YouTube, Google. We can email. We can email by using Yahoo, Gmail.com. So there are many more facilities that we are actually interacting in our day-to-day life. E-research versus traditional research. What is e-research? What is e-research versus traditional research? So, characteristics: participants, diversely skilled distributed research team, traditional individual research or small local research team. Data generated, stored, and accessible from distribution location. Locally generated, stored, and accessible. Computation and instrumentation. Large scales in e-research or on demand computation or access, but compute jobs or jobs run on research own computers or research instruments. Networking, reliant on the internet and mailware, not reliant on the internet. Dissemination of research via websites and specialized web portals, via print publication or conference presentation. So these are the things that's difference between e-research and traditional research. So conclusion, what is e-research? We came to know that the internet-based research is known as e-research. All the process like data collection, analysis, and dissemination are to be done with digital tools. I guess we are very familiar with digital tools in our day-to-day life. I guess without digital tools, I think it's like food without people. Digital tools is same or like our food in our daily life. So references www.sciencenet, www.google.com, Ahmad Faizer blogspot.com. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. So thank you so much. Have a great day.